Hello friends, we have used Pythagoras theorem in various questions, but today we will prove this theorem. The theorem states that in any right angled triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of base square and perpendicular square, or you can say sum of both the sides, squares of both the sides, side 1 and side 2. This can be written as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is what you have to prove, and you are given, what is given to you, I have told you in previous video also that whenever there is any theorem to be proved, first you have to write given, then you have to write what is to be proved, then construction part, and then the proof. So we are given that triangle ABC is right angled at angle B, or you can write BC is perpendicular to AB and it is a right angle triangle. Whatever way you want to write, you can write. This is given to us. This has to be proved. Now comes the construction part. This is one step towards the proof. Construction will be draw BD perpendicular to AC. You have to draw a perpendicular to the hypotenuse which divides the hypotenuse in two parts. Why we have done this? Because we have to use theorem 6.7 as the base to prove Pythagoras theorem. What does the theorem 6.7 state? It states that whenever any line is perpendicular is drawn from the vertex with the right angle in the right angle triangle, that is from right angle B, when a perpendicular is drawn, then this perpendicular forms similar triangles. So, and this triangle is similar to this triangle, and both of these are also similar to the whole triangle. This means triangle ADB is similar to triangle BCD, and it is also similar to the original triangle ABC. This will be used as a proof for our Pythagoras theorem. Two things here. This one, triangle ABD is similar to the whole triangle ABC. Here we will take this one, triangle ADC is similar to, it is B. BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Now, when these triangles are similar, then AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. Similarly, here CD by BC is equal to BC by AC. Now cross multiply these and this. You get equation as AB square is equal to AD into AC. This is first equation you have got. Here you will get BC square is equal to AC into CD. This is the second equation you have got. Now, since you can see this is sum of this triangle and this triangle forms the complete triangle. So, we will add these two. Add 1 and 2. You get AB square plus BC square AD into AC plus AC into CD. Now AB square plus BC square is equal to, we will take AC common from here. It is multiplied by AD plus CD. As you can see, AD plus CD forms AC. So, it can be written as AB square plus BC square is equal to AC with AC. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence, we have proved the Pythagoras theorem. I hope you have understood the Pythagoras theorem, and please share this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.